Looking for a strong car phone holder that never falls? Today we review the Miracase phone holder with metal hook clip. Is it really worth it? Let's find out. It stays locked on bumpy roads, a top choice. This air vent car mount works with iPhones, Androids, and even Garmin GPS. Its simple black design is built for daily driving. Securely holds your device on every trip. Secure your phone for safe driving. The steel vent hook ensures a secure fit. Non-slip silicone arms keep it from falling, even on rough roads. Drive safely and stay connected. One-hand operation makes it easy. Press the quick release button to open the arms. Remove your phone, then place it back in. Press the sides to tighten the arms securely. Never fall off or break with our metal double hook. Simply attach and hook the vent blade. The silicone anti-slip grips firmly. Then, tighten by rotating clockwise. Secure and reliable, unlike the others. Perfectly fit for all phones and cases, from iPhones to Galaxies and any case style. Securely holds your device. The perfect mount. This is a strong and affordable car mount. Great for students, drivers, and delivery riders. Check the link below and see today's price. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.